Hello everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and this is another one of my unboxing videos of houseplants, and this package just came for me today. Let's see what's inside. I am so excited. This is quite a big packet. It's solid, it's well packed, and it says fragile on it, and it's travelled safely, I think. So now let's see what's going on inside. Okay, so basically, cut open the sides. And I might be able to just pull it out in one end. Oh, I'm so excited. So crazy, I'm so excited. Here we go, here it comes. Let's see what we got. There's a lot of cardboard, so that's really well packed. Now, just snip along this edge here. Snip, snip, snip. Let's see what's inside here. Here we go. Are you all excited? I am, totally. So, let's see what we got here. Now, this looks to me like it is. I'm not going to say what it is until I've got it completely out so you can see what it is. Okay. And I've got two big cuttings of this plant. So I'm really pleased about this. Have a little look. Now, unwrap it. So well wrapped. Which I'm very thankful about, of course. No damage to the plant leaves. So, let's have a look here. Let's get this tape off. Ooh, it's difficult. One more. And there we have it. Oh, this is such a big cutting. I'm so happy about this. Look at this. This is beautiful. Look how long this is. I love it. Oh, wow. This is the amazing Monstera standleyana. Now look at this. Look at the size of that. And look, I think I have at least two or three beautiful cuttings here. So this was a really great buy. I'm going to put these straight in water and watch the roots go out and then plant it as quick as possible. I can't wait. Now, you need to have a closer look at this. Now look at that leaf. You can see the beautiful variegation in the leaf. Yes, it's variegated, but very small variegations. Now look at this one. Isn't it beautiful? And this one, oh, this was just an amazing unboxing. All of this, that's amazing. I'm so happy about that. So I've got to get on now and get this in some water. My rare plant collection is all of a sudden going to start growing. I have so many more coming yet, so just come back to see what else I will be collecting soon. The doorbell should be ringing any moment actually with some more. I've got some amazing things coming. I just can't wait. This is going to be fantastic. I'm kind of hooked. Oh, I just want to show you one more beautiful leaf that has a much bigger piece of variegation on it. Look at these, can you see? And look at this one here and this. They're just beautiful. Anyway, from me and my beautiful Monstera standleyana cuttings here, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching Gardens and Crystals again with me, Wesley Peterson. Please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when my next video is coming, because there are going to be more rare plant videos coming up soon. I thank you very much and have a very nice day. See you in the next video. Goodbye.